Hello friends, this is a 2-mark question on computer networks on topic routing and congestion control. The question reads as follows. Consider that TCP is using slow start congestion control. After having 10 consecutive transmission failed due to timeout, the current threshold value is set to 7 kb. What was the congestion window size at the time of starting of these transmissions? Assume that maximum segment size is 1 kb. As we know, in additive increase multiplicative decrease scheme of congestion control, there are two phases, slow start phase and additive increase phase. In slow start phase, we start with a congestion window size of 1 and increase the congestion window size by 1 MSS for each acknowledgement received, and we switch to additive increase phase when the congestion window size is greater than the threshold, and here threshold is set to half of the congestion window size. In the additive increase phase, this congestion window size is increased by one of congestion window size for each acknowledgement received, that is, we roughly add 1 MSS for each round trip of time, and we set the congestion window to half of its size whenever a packet loss is detected in the network. Now the question says that after the 10 transmission, the threshold is set to 7 kb. That means before the 10 transmission, threshold was 14 kb. Since 14 is not a multiple of 2's power, we know that the congestion control scheme is in additive increase phase. So let us figure out when the congestion control scheme switch to additive increase phase. So here is a table given for transmission 1 to 10. During transmission 1, the congestion window size was 1. During transmission 2, it became 2. During transmission 3, it became 4. During 4th transmission, it became 8, and after this, the congestion window increases by 1 MSS till 10 transmission, and after 10 transmission, the packet loss occurs. Since the scheme is switching to additive increase phase after 4th transmission, that means the threshold was 8 at this place. And we know that threshold is half of congestion window. That means the congestion window size was 2 into 8, which is 16. So before start of this transmission 1 to 10, the actual congestion window size was 16 MSS. That's what is the required answer. So the correct answer to this question would be option C, that is 16 kb. Thank you.